This is a one troll show, which means that I'm a troll in the show. My character's name is Hesh.
Hello, my name is Hesh. I am a bridge troll, as you can see, a train bridge troll.
It's a funny little troll. It's been posted here since the bridge was built, and in the cosmology of this show, trolls are posted in these places where nature and humanity sort of cross as a way of keeping tabs, not for any end, but just to witness and to query.
I only know what the track tells me. What's that? Shh, the rail is ringing. That's a novel idea. I'll try to be a conduit to amplify its song for you.
I was walking through Bartram's Gardens late at night, as I often do, and a train was coming by, and the sounds of the train were so visceral and filled the air around me, and I found myself just joining in with its song.
They usually don't come by on Saturday. This is really cool.
This area of Philadelphia, right by the Schuylkill River, on both banks actually, is sort of designated only for these polluting industries. So what does that mean for the people who live right around it? What does that mean for the rest of Philadelphia who doesn't have to look at this part of the city that is really the engine of a lot of how we have grown accustomed to living our modern lives, and also at the same time living that way and not thinking about the effects of the consumption that we use.
You dream of more than structures, and so neglect to build your structures up to the task at hand of supporting all your dreams.
I wanted to create a piece that was going to be able to talk about those things and help people in their everyday lives to notice things more, but that was also going to be whimsical and exciting for kids and have audience participation and very musical elements.
Self-reflection didn't steal my car keys.
I think we all have a lot to learn from Hesh as a character who is all about just witnessing and listening to what comes up for the world around them. So I'm looking for all kinds of church groups, after-school programs, organizations that are tied into these kinds of questions. These are all really exciting kinds of groups that I would love to be able to share this piece with.